Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jadrianng and I'm 17 this year. So have you been pronouncing the wrong th sound? If yes, it's fine, I will correct you in this video. So basically, there are two types of th sound. Before that, you have to know how to make that th sound. Is that you have to put your tongue between your teeth like this. So just gently put your tongue between your teeth like this. So yeah, like this. So let's start with the unvoiced th sound first, which is like this. Put your tongue between your teeth and start blowing. Yeah, that's simple. So let's try some words. The first one, unvoiced th, is think. 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 The second word is through. 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 And another one is math. 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 And finally, thin. 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 So the next one is voiced. Voiced th. So you just have to add vibration in your throat. So make vibration in your throat. Z, z, z. So let's try some words. The most common word is the. Don't be surprised if you pronounce it wrong, because in this video I'm going to correct you. So the. In a faster way, the. The second voiced th, then. The third one is these. Voiced th, these. Finally, the. So yeah, that's it. So in conclusion, all you have to do is just rest your tongue between your teeth, and if voiced, add vibration. If unvoiced, just blow it. And practice more, find more words and practice with the th sound. And practice more with the voiced and unvoiced th sound. Over time, you will naturally pronounce it, the th sound, like this. The, think. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.